In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country settings on Uber and Uber Eats. Whether you're relocating to a new country or simply need to adjust your location for delivery purposes, updating your country on these platforms is essential for receiving accurate services and information. Let's walk through this process together step by step. First off, open up your browser and navigate to the Uber Eats website. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to ensure you're logged into your account. This is important as you'll need to have access to your settings and saved information. Hover over your profile icon, which is typically in the top right corner of the page. Here you will find the settings section that we'll be working with today. Once you're in your settings, look for a landmark icon. This icon is what we'll use to adjust your current location details. Clicking on it should bring up a menu that, among other things, allows you to enter or correct your address information. Having up-to-date location data ensures that the services and restaurants you're browsing are accurate and relevant to your current or intended location. Now type in the name of the country you wish to set. Start by typing the first few letters of the country's name until you see it appear in the suggested list. Click on the name of the country once it pops up. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors or incorrect selections, as these can cause issues with your delivery options and access to services. After selecting the desired country, the next step is to finalize the update by saving your changes. There should be a confirmation message or a save button on the screen. Click that and your new country setting should be updated immediately. This change will allow your Uber and Uber Eats accounts to access the services and restaurant selections available in the newly selected country. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Uber and Uber Eats experience is seamless, no matter where you are in the world. If you encounter any issues, it might be helpful to refresh your browser or double-check that your app versions are up to date, as older versions may not support all features. To recap, switching your country on Uber and Uber Eats is a straightforward process that involves adjusting your location settings directly on the website. Keep these steps in mind the next time you travel or move, and you'll be able to take full advantage of the service wherever you are. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.